One evening, a 28-year-old son decided to put his dad into an old age home. It was a mutual decision made by him and his wife. He then took his father to the nearby church, which was known for taking care of old people and orphan kids. The church was handled by an old Catholic priest. When the priest saw the old man along with his son, he came running to him. The old priest had a long conversation with the old man. This made the son wonder, so he asked the priest, "Dear father, do you know my dad? The way you were talking with him made me think as if you both knew each other for long." The priest replied, "Yes, I know him. He came here 25 to 30 years back and adopted a very sick boy. That sick boy was rejected for adoption by everyone else, but this gentleman was kind enough to adopt him. This man gave that sick boy a new life, a new home. This man believed in the boy. He told us that the boy deserves better and he'll dedicate his life to make the boy a better and kind person. But I think he failed at doing so because you were that sick boy. You failed him." The son was shocked to hear so. He was on his knees when he heard the truth. He begged his father for forgiveness. The old man smiled and said, "I've already forgiven you. It was not you, but me who failed at providing you the moral values of life. You decided to throw me in here from my own house just because your wife wanted so. You didn't even consider to talk with me. Take the house, son. But I've removed you from my will as the sole heir of my belongings. I've dedicated all my properties to this church where I belong now, and I hope it'll make some more lives better. Moral: never forget your parents. They are the reason behind your success. They spend their life to make your life successful. So when they grow old, it's your turn to make their life beautiful."